Hi guys, this is Jot. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY detail, the Legacy car wash sponge. I'm going to use it with the rinseless wash, the DIY detail rinseless wash. What else could I say about it? It's a sponge. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting knocking. Got the neighbors sitting. Guess I tried. Guess I. Guess I tried. Please come back. Guess I tried. Please come back. Guess I changed my ways. Guess I changed my ways. Please come back. Guess I changed my ways. Every time I close my eyes, every time I close my eyes, every time I close my eyes. 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 Every time I close my eyes.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY detail Legacy sponge. All in all, It's a very good sponge. Personally, I'm not a big sponge person, but I like this one. Other than its price, I think the price is a bit steep, but other than that, it does what it's supposed to, and it's a rather good product. So I can hands-on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.